Good morning, committee members. Daniel Mitchell from the 49th Legislative District speaking against the bill on behalf of the Washington Civil Rights Association. Years ago, when proactive, responsible firearm owners in Washington carried insurance for legal bills resulting from the lawful use of a firearm, the state insurance commissioner determined that this was illegal under Washington law, and the policies were subsequently canceled. We wished to insure ourselves against a known peril of criminal violence, and the state declared it illegal. Today, the state is now declaring insurance to be mandatory. The juxtaposition of the policies is most noteworthy here today. For those that have done any due diligence on this issue, they will know that most homeowners policies are named exclusion policies, and an accidental discharge is not a named exclusion in any of the policies I could find when screening 12 major insurers here in the state of Washington. Furthermore, there is no surplus line policy or insurance rider for such a risk. It simply doesn't exist at this time. Safe storage in Washington is specifically undefined by the RCWs. It was found to be unconstitutional by the United States Supreme Court in the landmark case of Heller versus Washington, D.C. The state is simply seeking for third parties to now define safe storage and enforce an unconstitutional requirement. In Washington, 22% of drivers do not carry the required auto insurance today. Many of our residents are not the named leaseholders or the homeowners. This bill lacks any enforcement mechanism and has no penalty mechanism. In fact, it really has no structure at all. So what's the actual point? This bill fails to provide any protection for our community, creates more government regulation for a product that largely exists entirely without state intervention. We strongly encourage safe storage. We provide free locks and youth outreach to our community through our work with the KidSafe Foundation, having reached 25,000 kids across Oregon and Washington with free gun safety education. This bill has no need. It provides no benefit. So what's the actual point? Is it just another contribution to your reelection fund? Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. I believe there are questions, starting with Senator Wagoneer.
Thank you, Madam Chair. We heard testimony earlier, and I just want to verify it with you that unless it's excluded, we would already be covered by our homeowners insurance. Is that correct to your knowledge?
For an accidental or unintentional discharge of a firearm, yes.
So I'm already covered if I have homeowners and general homeowners insurance that doesn't exclude that?
Correct.
Thank you.